Hi, my name is Craig Ellingson and I am the Eastey service technician. And today we're going to talk about replacing a head return air cylinder on an Eastey L-bar sealer. The head return air cylinder, the new style is a stainless steel cylinder where the previous one was a painted. These cylinders have an air dampener on it that can adjust the airflow as the seal head comes back up in the air. First thing you'll want to do when replacing a new air cylinder is turn off the power to the machine and then release all of the pressure on the air cylinders by loosening all the set screws on the rear shaft with a 5/16 Allen. To release the pressure of the air cylinders, there's these head return arms that have multiple set screws. In this instance, there's 8 set screws per return arm. These will all need to be cracked loose to release the pressure. But if we crack them all loose, the head would come slamming down. So you'll either need somebody to hold the seal head up or prop the seal head up so it won't fall down. To remove the air cylinder, you'll need 2 1/2-inch wrenches to undo the operator side. And after the nut and bolt are released from the operator side, it'll take a 7/16 wrench to release the ball joint in the back. Here you can see the differences between the old style and the new style. They do look quite a bit different, but they do mount the same. The only difference is you'll need to take this ball joint on the old air cylinder and install it on the new air cylinder. To readjust the tension of the air cylinders, we're going to want to grab the head return arm where the ball joints are and pull the air cylinders out. And as you're pulling and they bottom out, lock the set screws back down. Only on the arm that you're pulling out. You'll then notice after you lock these down, the shafts will be fully extended on this one air cylinder. In this instance, 2. If you do have a helper, your helper could be holding the seal head in the up position while you lock these set screws down. After the head return air cylinder is installed, you'll want to adjust the dampener. What I do to adjust the dampener is I'll pull the seal head down and release it. And by turning this in, right now I had it all the way out, by turning it in will slow the head as it goes back to the up position. If you go too far, the head actually might stop back on the halfway up, and then you can slowly open it to where the head goes all the way up in the air. Here I have the dampener closed all the way, so the head will go halfway up. As I slowly crack it open, the head will continue all the way up. So that concludes on how to change over the head return air cylinder on an Eastey L-bar sealer. If you'd like to see more YouTube training videos, you can head on to our YouTube channel, or you can head on to www.eastey.com.